Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use RawTherapee * to edit your photos on a Windows PC or laptop. Whether you're a beginner or just getting started with raw photo editing, this guide will help you understand the basics. Let's get started. First, open RawTherapee * from your desktop or Start menu. When the program opens, use the * file browser * on the left side to navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. Double-click the folder and RawTherapee will display thumbnails of your images. Next, double-click the photo you want to edit. This opens the ** editor * window, where you'll find all the editing tools on the right side. Start by adjusting the ** exposure if your image is too dark or too bright. Then fine-tune the ** white balance * to make the colors look more natural. You can also increase * contrast ** saturation *, and sharpness * to improve the overall appearance of your photo. If needed, use the * crop * tool to remove unwanted areas or straighten the image. RawTherapee uses * non-destructive editing *, which means your original photo remains unchanged while you experiment with different adjustments. Once you're happy with the result, click the * save * or Q * option and export your edited image in JPEG, PNG, or TIFF format. And that's it. You've successfully learned the basics of using RawTherapee to edit your photos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.